Hey everybody, Joe Kuiper, Commercial Product Manager for Lincoln Electric, here again with the Power MIG 215 MPI, and today we're going to learn how to set up a MIG weld. Let's come down to the screen and I'll walk you through it. So as we're setting up that MIG weld, we're walking through what's called Ready Set Weld technology, and that really eliminates the guesswork in setting up your weld. What we do is we select our process, MIG Steel C25, we confirm our polarity as well as our spool gun switch being in the MIG gun position on the inside of the case, our gas connection and our gas mix, the wire diameter, we're using 035 wire, our thickness, which we're welding on 10 gauge, keep in mind this display is to scale, and now the Power MIG 215 MPI automatically puts you at the proper parameters that you need to make that MIG weld. So let me put on some PPE and we'll go and we'll make that weld. All right, that MIG weld came out great. Ready Set Weld really helped me out. This machine's perfect for light fabrication, general fabrication, home hobbyist work. If you need any more information on the Power MIG 215 MPI, please visit lincolnelectric.com.